How to use ChatGPT for product descriptions. Okay, what you want to do is you want to set a premise first for ChatGPT. You want to give it a role. So I am telling ChatGPT now that it's an expert copywriter, and they will write me a product description. And now I'm asking them if they are ready. If I don't do this last part, what they will do is they will start spewing random stuff about product descriptions and copywriters. So you want to set this premise, give it a question that are you ready? Now what I'm going to do is I will give ChatGPT some information about my brand and my product so you can understand it better. Okay. Now, this is my brand overview and this is my product. So I'll ask you to write a product description about the phone. So what is happening right now? The phone, I am giving it some features it can elaborate on, right? And use it for the description. Otherwise, what ChatGPT will do, if you don't feed it proper information, it will start putting up random stuff which will not actually help. You wanna use its powers to customize things for you. Look at this. This is actually a good product description. And if you want, actually this is a really good a copy they have right here. And if you want something very specific, maybe you want it to be briefer or in only one paragraph, you can go ahead and customize this. Or I can ask it to write it for me so that it spans 3 paragraphs. Okay. And ChatGPT will do it for you. Maybe if you have a character limit, okay, you can go ahead and put that as well. So character limit is 1500 characters. You want to be very specific with ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will actually deliver to your requirements as long as you're specific with it. See, this is how it is. Now, if you wanted to add a list, add a list style for features, but be brief. So however you want it, you can customize it. And if you want emojis, you can tell it to add emojis as well, and it will do that for you. As you can see right here, boom. There you go, guys. Really that easy and simple.